We have already completed the chapter conditionals in our live classes. Now in this particular video we will go through the pages that we have in our books. Chapter number 21 and the chapter is conditionals. So first it is given thing, complete these sentences. If I had a superpower. Now you have to add something in order to give this part of the sentence a complete sense. If you don't go to school today, if Arif had called me yesterday, if it rains, if we start late from home. Now all these sentences start with the term if. That is a condition that is either to be filled up or not to be filled up. So if I had a superpower, I would help the poor. If we don't go to school today, teacher will scold us. If Arif had called me yesterday, I would surely help him. If it rains, I will stay indoors. And last one, if we start late from house, we will reach late. So, or you can write will not have the bus. So these are the few things. Now what we have here, the sentences that we have completed are conditional sentences. They show that an action is possible only if a certain condition is fulfilled. So here we are fulfilling certain conditions. The conditionals are made up of two elements, the main clause, then the if clause. Now let us see the completion or realization of the main clause is dependent on the if clause that represents a condition. So when you use the term if, immediately the term becomes a condition. That one, let us make a gist, that means using of if will give rise to condition. There are four types of conditional. First one, it is written in a zero conditional. Now, what is zero conditional? There is a very strong possibility that the condition will be fulfilled. It is used thus for real or factual situation. That means it is not something imaginary. It can be fulfilled. So that is zero conditional. What we use? We use if clause, then you use one main clause. So read these sentences. I can sleep well if I have a glass of milk at night. We can alter the position also. So this is very much possible. These conditionals are not something beyond our reach. This can be done very easily. If I exercise regularly, I remain fit. So this can be done easily. Now see what is provided here. I help people if the milkman does not deliver milk, if we don't go out, if. So every time such conditional we have to provide, that is zero. That is very much possible. I help people if I fit. The milkman does not deliver milk if there is heavy traffic, or if the cow is unwell. We don't go out if it rains. Water boils if you heat it. We fall sick if we eat junk food. The baby cries if C, if she is hungry. So you can see these are very much possible things. Though conditions provided, but these are very much possible. Now next one, the fast conditional. We have done zero conditional, now it is fast conditional. It is used to express possibilities in future which you believe to be realistic. So that will be done in future. So first you can see we have to use if clause then main clause. If clause should be in present tense while main clause should be in simple future. If you come, I will be very happy. You can see the second part, that is the main clause, that is in future tense, while the if clause in simple present tense. If you study hard, you will score well. So second one future tense and first one is in simple present tense. Actually this is the rule, in single sentence you cannot use two simple future tense. Complete these conditionals using the correct form. That's a fast conditional you have to use. If the bus dash less, I will reach my college late. So this one what we have to do? This one should be in simple present tense. If the bus comes late, if we prepare, so all should be in the present tense. If I see the principal, I will inform you. If you go to that restaurant, dash you me favorite pastry. So what we should write? Will you get me my favorite pastry? So one present tense, simple present, another one will be simple future tense. Kindly remember page number 162. Next one, if it rains, they dash their plan for coming here. They will cancel. Next one, I will help you. You can write I shall also. Next. Now we have got the second conditional. Is used to imagine present or future situation that are impossible or unlikely to be true in reality. Impossible imagination. We have to use if clause, obviously. We have to use main clause. If clause must be in simple past. And that one you have to do what? Would and the V1 of the verb. V1 of the main verb. Just like if I were in your place. I were, because it is almost impossible. That is why it is written I were. Simple past. I would tell him the truth. You can see would is used here. Then the base form of the verb is used. If she had her own garden, she would plant a lot of trees. So you can see second part. So here few of the examples are provided that we have to go through. Go to bed earlier, will not be tired. What you have to do? Frame sentences expressing second conditional using these clues. First one, have phone number, will call. If I had Jia's phone number, I would certainly call her. So second one, go to bed earlier, will not be tired. So if you had gone to bed earlier, you would not be tired. Fall down will hurt. So this one, if you had not fallen down, you would not get hurt. Now it is impossible because he has already fallen down. No, I have written in negative due to certain purpose, because if I have written if you had fallen down, if you have written, that means he has not fallen. Now anytime one person can fall, but when a person has already fallen down, it cannot be undone. the falling cannot be undone. So he has already fallen down, so it cannot be changed. That is why you had not fallen down, you did not get hurt. Know where they live. If I knew where they live, I would go there. Now 5 and 6 to be done by your own. Not only 5 and 6, okay, that is page number 163. So the remaining part of this one will complete in tomorrow's video. So kindly watch today's video and fill up these two only and understand the topics mentioned in this particular chapter. Thank you everyone. We'll meet again in the next video.